See these gray leaves? This is Sideritis. I have still to understand which species. Might be Sideritis taurica, but it's very beautiful. And you know, Sideritis is a plant which in the eastern Mediterranean, like in Greece, in Crete, you make a tea out of it, which is very healthy, calming, stress relieving. So here you have the Mediterranean, the Italian one, Sideritis, might be taurica. But very nice to know that it's growing here. Thanks for this discovery. And here on the side, this might be a kind of gold distal. We'll see.